wind! What are you doing? I worked hard to clear away all that trash.
Shouting at the wind hardly seems logical, Indy. Oh, come on, wind!
Oh, no. The hermit crab lost his new shell, and he's heading for that bottle.
Floof, Floof.
I got the seagull. Speed balance!
What about the turtle babies? Even if you clean again, what if there's more wind?
Then all the problems will start over again. I hate to say it, but the only logical conclusion is that Kalia gave us the wrong mission.
So, you want to give up?
Of course not. But as long as this island is filled with trash and more trash keeps washing up on shore, nothing will change.
So we'll clean up the island and get rid of the pollution here forever. Tra-la-la!
Don't sing yet. We have no idea how to do that. This beach is covered in plastic. It's way too big a job.
Oh, I know! We can put a giant net in the ocean surrounding the island. That'll catch all the garbage before it comes ashore.
That's impossible. It'd have to be the most giant net in the world.
Exactly. Constructomax, construct a giant net.